Alright, today I want to show you the Rainbow Donuts puzzle from Parachute Puzzles. It's a 1,000 piece puzzle, and as you can see, it is very colorful. It starts at the top, red, orange, yellow, green, and so it's really pretty fun puzzle to put together. It's not extremely challenging. Each puzzle comes with a nice box. The pieces are in a nice plastic bag, and this puzzle comes with an extra sorting tray, so when you open up the box in the bottom is going to be an extra sorting tray as just kind of a bonus. So once again, the pieces are nice cardboard, easily interlocking, they're glossy, they've got a nice white background. The puzzle's fit and finish is really high quality, so hope you decide to do a colorful donuts puzzle, and I hope you enjoy it if you do. And another thing to say is Parachute Puzzles has 10 different puzzle designs, from fruit cups to beach scenes to really difficult puzzles, yarn puzzles, some challenging and really fun puzzles. So that's kind of an introduction to our Rainbow Donuts puzzle.